Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today I'm back with another tutorial video on how you can easily get access by logging into your Amazon Prime credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right in. Open up a web browser. You can open up any web browser of your choice. Go to the address box that pops up at the top and type in Amazon Prime credit card login and press enter. You'll end up in the search results displayed on the next page. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says Synchrony. You can also type in amazon.syf.com in the search bar and make your search. You'll end up in the login area of Amazon Prime, which looks like this. Go to the first text field and type in your user ID and head over to the next field and type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on the little show link or the eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials so that you won't have to type it in again and again with the particular device, then make sure to check this remember user ID box, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public computer or a shared computer. In case you don't remember your user ID and your password, you can retrieve them back by clicking on I forgot my user ID or the password link. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to get out of the situation. After you are done typing in your credential and you're ready to log into your account, click the Secure Login button. That is how you can easily get access to Amazon Prime credit card account with the help of your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.